Alrighty. Sorry, I'm out of breath. So these smoke detectors, I figured out if you just tap on them or like push them in a little bit, they'll start beeping correctly and very loud. I replaced the batteries in all of them, except, well, for some reason the one up there, I went up there, tried to do it. Every time I put it into the wall, into the wire, it starts beeping, so I can't get that one to be hardwired. But that one is but this one here, the one in this room, you can see, oh, it's gotta be right there. This one, and the one in the basement, they all go off when, except for that one. I don't know about that one, but all those ones go off when I get the, when I test it or if something were to happen. So, and that's really good. I'm feeling better about that. So what I'm gonna do is test it and then run upstairs. You just have to tap them and then they stop. This one, like I said, you have to like push it in. And it's hard to do, but you have to do that. So what I'm gonna do is put my phone in here and let you see this one. So give me 1 sec. I don't know if you can see that, but give me 1 sec. I need the chair, sorry. So that's those ones, that's that one. And now I'll show you this one. So just if you haven't noticed, I have to hold that one in the hallway and then a couple seconds the other ones will go off. So now I'm gonna show you this one while I do the basement one. And now I'm going to show you the basement one downstairs while I have these ones up here tested. That one right there. Alrighty, so all those should have gone off. That one should have gone off. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I went upstairs and did that, and then, yeah, so up and down the stairs and running around. So that's got them to work better than they did before. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy.